Don't download OpenTrader app before watching this. If you're thinking about downloading the OpenTrader app, pause and listen. Many people assume it's just another trading app, but the surprising truth is that it's built for active traders who are comfortable with complex order types and fast-moving markets. OpenTrader offers advanced charting tools, live market data, and customizable trading strategies. You can place limit orders, stop losses, and conditional trades in seconds. That sounds exciting, but here's the problem. Beginners often get lost in the interface and make mistakes that can cost real money. Most casual investors underestimate the learning curve for these advanced features. Another key point is fees. While OpenTrader promotes low commissions, certain features and real-time data feeds may come with additional costs. If you're not careful, these fees can add up and reduce overall returns. On the bright side, OpenTrader excels for experienced traders. Its speed, flexibility, and professional-grade tools allow you to execute strategies efficiently. You can monitor multiple markets, analyze trends in real time, and automate trades based on predefined rules. However, if you're a long-term investor looking for a simple platform to hold and grow your portfolio, OpenTrader may be more frustrating than helpful. The app's power is also its potential pitfall. Without experience, you can quickly feel overwhelmed and make costly mistakes. In conclusion, don't download OpenTrader expecting a casual investing experience. It's perfect for skilled traders who need speed, flexibility, and advanced market insights. For everyone else, consider simpler, more beginner-friendly apps that focus on portfolio growth without the stress of high-frequency trading. Understanding your trading style before downloading will save you time, money, and frustration.